Yes, that's right. So one of the main aspects of the index that has changed has been capacity of healthcare systems to cope with an uptick in cases. And those countries that locked down very early, as you pointed out, did very well because of this. There are obviously other factors in play here, and there are many pre-COVID factors that we still rely on to give us a broader picture of the livability of these cities. But the changes this year have, for the most part, been driven by COVID-related reasons.
Okay, so interesting that, I understand the issue with New Zealand having handled the crisis so well, but interesting that you have Osaka up there high on the list as well, because of course, Japan is a place that kind of had this additional wave and is still dealing with some states of emergency in various places and the impacts of having a slower than anticipated inoculation drive.
Yes, so depending on how long the pandemic lasts for, we may find that next year Osaka and other major Japanese cities have slipped. This index gives us a snapshot of the year period from spring 2020 to spring 2021. So we're not yet capturing the full effects of what's unfolding right now in Japan. And if this turns out to be as severe as it is now for a long period, then we would expect this to affect the rankings next year as well. On the point of Osaka specifically compared to Tokyo, our index takes into account lots of different factors apart from healthcare and COVID related aspects. That includes entertainment and culture, for instance, for which Tokyo actually ranks higher than Osaka. But Osaka does well in other categories, such as living costs related to housing and also capacity of healthcare more generally as well. So everything is not what it seems on the surface always, and it's good to dig down and look at those particular features of living in these places that make it worthwhile choosing one city over another, in this case, Osaka perhaps over Tokyo.